All right, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we go over aviation crashes. I'm an aircraft rescue firefighter, so we look at it from a firefighter's point of view. So you can see here, this happened December 1st, 2021 on Wednesday. It was a Cessna came in with gear up, which caused that fire on the right wing. And the aircraft was a Cessna 510 Citation Mustang, November 8-1 Charlie Bravo. No propellers on this guy. It has a turbofan Pratt & Whitney 615F, small little turbofan engine. Please go ahead and comment if you've flown in this aircraft before or have piloted one. I'd love to hear how it flies. And you can see here, fires on scene. They got on scene quickly. No injuries on this one. But this firefighter is trying to find his range here, pumping, rolling up to the aft side of the aircraft. He's going to go ahead and put that foam in right into that turbofan engine, gets it out quickly. Again, the pilot was not injured. He was able to self-evacuate. This looks to be a E1 Titan, maybe early 2000s model. It really has that square face, as you can see here. Here's a young Keone. Please subscribe if you like this content. But yeah, it has that real square face and rectangular body. 1,500 gallons of water. It happened at this Lake Havasu City airport here in Arizona. I was trying to find to see where the airport, the ARFF fire station was, but I couldn't tell from here. So if anybody's familiar with this airport, they can go ahead and let me know below. And here is the flight plan. So Houston Executive Airport, and then went ahead and landed gear up in Lake Havasu City Airport. So if you missed this one was a Piper Navajo that crashed in Medford, Oregon. So you can go ahead and click here if you want to watch. Hit the globe. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.